to our channel. So, kita orang nak buat Squishy Collection 2018. Now is 6:27. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Sorry. First, ikan or whale. Ni dah set. So yeah, next. Wing. Next, ada Sankey elephant first. French fries. Next, ada roti. Here is the details. So, next, bread. Okay, so ni ice cream. Sebelum tu, korang jangan lupa tengok ni dia punya description. Korang boleh tengok clarification dia. So, yeah, let's squish. So, yang ni nama dia adalah Cafe DN Double Scoop Ice Cream. Okay, so Ain tak nak join dah. So, yeah. Next, ada banana fritters.